Thanks so much for putting me on. I've been wanting to switch things up from wigs.
Isn't it so much softer than what we used to have?
Yeah, I couldn't stand how scratchy it was, and you know who hated it.
Bryce? No one cares what he liked.
Girl, anyways, what are we getting into tonight?
You want to come over for movie night?
No, get dressed, we're going out. Our hair looks so cute and we've been inside since yesterday.
Your hair looks so good.
You like?
I love this look.
I know, right? It's the Swicy Afro Twist.
It's made from 100% Kanekalon fibers, which means no irritation on my skin. Plus, it blends so naturally with my type 4 hair. Look at that perfect match.
But let's talk in the car. Oh wait, we need to take selfies before we go.